Hey there, thrifty enthusiasts. Welcome to the very first episode of Thrifty Times. I'm thrilled to kickstart this channel with an incredible video that's sure to blow your mind. Today, I'll be sharing 5 amazing thrifty hacks that will help you save hundreds of dollars. Hack number 1. The Grocery Guru. Learn how to navigate the supermarket like a pro, spot the best deals, and use coupons strategically to slash your grocery bill. With these tips, you'll be amazed at how much you can save on your monthly food expenses. Hack number 2. The Fashionista's Secret. Discover clever fashion hacks that will help you revamp your wardrobe without breaking the bank. From thrift store finds to creative DIY alterations, you'll unlock the secrets to looking stylish and chic on a budget. Hack number 3. The Energy Saver. Learn simple yet effective techniques to reduce your energy consumption and lower your electricity bills. These eco-friendly tips will not only save you money but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Hack number 4. The Travel Wizard. Discover insider secrets for finding the best travel deals, scoring discounted flights and accommodations, and maximizing your travel experiences on a budget. You don't have to spend a fortune to explore the world. Hack number 5. The Master Organizer. Get ready to declutter your life and transform your living space into an organized haven. I'll share tips on repurposing items, maximizing storage solutions, and creating a harmonious environment without spending a fortune on expensive organizers. So there you have it, 5 incredible thrifty hacks that will save you hundreds of dollars. But this is just the beginning. On Thrifty Times, we'll delve deeper into the world of thrifty living, covering a wide range of topics to help you live a fulfilling life without breaking the bank. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our upcoming thrifty adventures.